Hello, my name is Brandon. I'm currently at the Royal Middle School doing a few math problems. This little blue pond I'm using right here is a positive x, and then this white pond right here is a opposite of the blue pond. So if you were to pair these two up together, these will actually make a pair of 0. But also, if I were to grab this red block, which is a positive number, so let's say I had 5 and I had this green block, which is a negative, if I compare them together, I get another pair of 0. So I can take these off. Alright, the first one I'm going to be doing is 4x plus 3, which equals 2x plus 7. So what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to take 2 pairs of these blue ponds off each side. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add 2 negative 3's to each side. So I'll take this pair off, and then I'll minus this, so then I'll get a even number of 4x to this. 4x. Alright, so for here, the answer will be x equals 2. I'll take that off. Alright, for my second question, I'm going to be doing negative 3 plus 2, which equals negative 10 plus x. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add a white pond, 2 white ponds to each side. So I can make these a pair of 0, take those off, add 2 negatives, make these a pair, take this off. So then after that, my answer will be negative 3 plus x. And it is negative 3 because it is the opposite of x, so it's a positive. Alright, for my third and last problem, I'm going to be doing negative 3x plus 5 plus x, which equals 2x plus negative 3. So I'm going to be doing first here, I'm going to make a pair of 0 with these blue ponds. So I'll take those out, I'll add 2 whites on each side, so then this will make another pair of 0. Then I'll add 2 negative 5's to each side, so then this will take this group of 0 off. And we left with positive 0 or positive x plus negative or positive 2. Thank you for watching my math videos. Please leave a like and subscribe to Mr. Phillips' channel.